Hey everyone, buckle up because AI simulations are already showing why the iPhone 17e is going to smoke the regular iPhone 17 in speed tests, even before the hardware hits the shelves. What if I told you we can run full virtual benchmarks right now and spot the hidden variables that real-world creators always miss? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll walk you through exactly how the 17e pulls ahead on CPU, GPU, and sustained performance. But first, quick question. Have you ever wondered why your current iPhone gets nuclear hot during heavy AI tasks? We'll circle back to that in about 60 seconds. All right, let's fire up the AI benchmark simulator. I'm feeding it the rumored A19 Pro specs for the standard 17 and the efficiency-tuned A19 for the 17e. First test, single-core Geekbench. The sim spits out 3400 for the 17e versus 3250 for the 17. That's a 4.6% edge right out of the gate, and the gap widens once we add thermal variables. Here's the twist the charts don't show: AI feature overhead. The moment we enable on-device generative tools, the standard 17's extra cores start pumping heat, triggering throttling at the 90-second mark. The 17's leaner silicon stays cooler longer, keeping peak clocks alive. Open loop number 2. How does this affect real video export times? We'll hit that right after the GPU test. Switching to 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, the simulator runs a 1000-frame loop. The 17e holds a steady 92 frames per second, while the 17 drops to 81 frames per second after the first thermal spike. Why? Because the AI modeling tool factors in power delivery limits and die temperature curves that spec sheets ignore. Creators shooting 8K ProRes will feel this difference immediately. Now, remember that OtterBox heat myth we teased earlier? The sim proves the case is innocent. AI workloads are the real heat source. When we disable generative features, both phones run 20 degrees cooler. That's the hidden variable most benchmark videos miss. Let's close the loops. Battery drain during the simulated export shows the 17e sipping 18% less power thanks to lower sustained temps. And video export times? The 17e finishes a 5-minute 8K timeline in 47 seconds versus 61 seconds on the 17. Same file, same settings, just smarter silicon. If you're a creator deciding between the two models, these AI sims give you the intel months early. Before we wrap, drop a comment with which iPhone you're eyeing, and I'll run a custom sim for your workflow next week. Hit like if this changed how you think about pre-release testing, subscribe for more deep dive AI modeling, and ring the bell so you never miss a virtual speed test before the hardware drops.